Hey guys, what's happening? That's one of those genius why didn't I do this earlier hacks. Using your Android phone as a webcam turns your regular video calls and streams into cinematic masterpieces. Because let's face it, your phone camera makes your laptop cam look like it's from 2008. So let's break it down. Why use your Android as a webcam? Because it's simply better. Way sharper image. Your phone's got 4K sensors versus your laptop's potato lens. Autofocus, HDR, and better low light. Perfect for streaming, video calls, or recording tutorials. Alright, you can use DroidCam. Right? Use DroidCam. Most popular and easiest. DroidCam's the OG app for this. Free, easy, and works via USB or Wi-Fi. Install the DroidCam app on your Android from Google Play. Download the DroidCam client on your PC. Go to dev47apps.com. Right? dev47apps.com, yeah. Choose Windows or Linux. Mac users can use OBS plus a DroidCam plugin. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or plug your phone via USB cable. Okay. To use via Wi-Fi, open the DroidCam app on your phone. It will show IP address, something like 192.168.x.x. On your PC, open DroidCam client, enter the IP address, and click Start. Alright, boom, your Android camera is now your PC webcam. To use via USB, enable developer mode, USB debugging on your phone option, connect via cable, open DroidCam client, select USB, click Start, and it will auto detect your phone camera. Bonus tip: in Zoom, OBS, Google Meet, or Discord, select DroidCam source as your camera input. Option 2, use Iriun Webcam. Clean UI, plug and play. Alright, let me type it. Iriun, yeah. Iriun Webcam. Download Iriun Webcam on your Android. Download Iriun Webcam driver on your PC or Mac from Iriun.com. And open both apps. They will automatically connect if you're on the same Wi-Fi. You can also connect via USB for zero lag performance. Once connected, select Iriun Webcam as your camera in OBS, Zoom, or Teams. Supports full HD and even 4K on supported phones. Option 3, use OBS DroidCam plugin. If you're a streamer or YouTuber, this setup is gold. Install OBS Studio on your PC. Install DroidCam OBS plugin from their official site. Open the DroidCam app on your phone. Connect it via your Wi-Fi or USB. In OBS, add a video capture device and then hit DroidCam source. You can now use your Android as a high-quality camera source with overlays, filters, and scenes. Option 4, you can use Google Meet or Zoom directly through webcam app. Once you've set up DroidCam or Iriun, go to your preferred video app, Zoom, Teams, etc., and open Settings, Video, and Camera. Select DroidCam or Iriun Webcam. Now your Android feed shows up in the meeting. Crispy, smooth, professional. Alright, so use tripod or phone stand for stability. Light your face. Even cheap ring that makes cheap ring light makes a huge difference. Use the camera for high quality and mirror it in the software. Plug your phone in. Webcam drains battery fast. For audio, use your PC mic or USB microphone instead of phone mic. So, combine your Android plus DroidCam with USB, OBS for filters, plus exposures and framing, good lighting plus external mic, and bam, you've got a studio quality webcam that rivals $500 year. So if you want a simple setup, Iriun Webcam, free and flexible, DroidCam for streaming, use OBS plugin, open source. You can use a platform called Scraspy, right? Or Scursby, Scursby. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.